So I have already imported Pandas package as PT. Now let's see how we can actually concatenate two data frames. So let's first prepare a data frame. Let's call it maybe group 1. So these are the columns that I'm creating. So first we are going to create a dictionary, and we have value and the keys. And after that we are going to create data frame out of this thing. Let's take name as car A, B, C, just for the simplicity, so that we are comfortable in interpreting the result. Now let's create the data frame. Let's pass the dictionary. Now let's create another group 2. Let's give ID maybe a bit different from what we already have, so we can actually see how the vertical concatenation actually looks like. Let's take name as car F, car G, and H. Let's again create data frame out of this dictionary. So now we let's see what we have in two data frames. Okay, so it's created perfectly. Now let's try to actually concatenate these two data frames vertically. Let's name it as concatenated data frame, and let's call pd.concat and pass the two data frames here. So this is the list of data frames that we are actually passing. Now let's check the result. So as you can see, the two data frames are vertically connected, so they're concatenated vertically. Now as you can see, the problem with the above result is the index is not continuous. So to have the continuous index, we are going to pass an argument here. So let's just copy the above line, and let's pass the argument as ignore index equal to true. By default it is false, that's why the index was not continuous. So now let's again check the result, and as you can see, now the index is continuous.